Kalmata guys, kalmata guys. Oh, wala kayo Leo.
Walay mabili din sa fifth floor. Sige na, walay mabili.
Hello guys, sa fifth floor. Hoy, nagkurog-kurog na dyan ko tanawa. Jesus, Jesus, no, oh my God, Lord, lang, naglinog lang, Jesus Christ, yes, makatras ka pa, hindi na, itawag, malito, Lord, Lord Jesus Christ, Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus Christ, Lord, lang, kusog kaayo, ang linog lang, Lord Jesus, relax, 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 relax. Lord Jesus Christ. Relax, relax, relax. Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus Christ. Lang, naglinog lang.
What?